Good morning, you all. Good morning and welcome to the channel. We are over here at the Vertical Log Cabin, and our project for this week, it's pretty much fixing the stables, the stalls, because we're gonna have horses and we are doing the preparation to receive the horses. We have 5 installs over here, and yesterday I came over and I replaced the boards. I put a new boards on it. I make sure that the floor with the rubber also it's good, nice and clean, making sure that everything's work at the barn to receive the horses. On this section here we have 5 installs ready to receive the horses. I also install brand new fans. There's one here, there's one up there, there's another one in the second one here, and as we walk over here is the tack room, and also it's ready, it's nice and clean. Water, the cooler is there. We make sure that everything is working to receive the horses. Now my new project's gonna be on the arena. Yeah, I'm trying to install this solar panel here because the horses are coming. We're gonna have people stay on this platform, and unfortunately I don't want to keep the panel on the ground, on the floor, because I have to do the maintenance over the yard. And then I'm trying to build a bracket on this roof, and then I'm gonna put the panel right there at the corner, giving a 30% angle to keep the panel full in charge for that fan up there. I was able to finish the first part. Now I'm gonna hook it up, the fan on the panel. I also went to the horse platform and I installed the fan, and now I am going to check if the fan is working, because we had enough sun this morning to try on the fan. So let me go up there and make sure that the fan is working. There we go, high speed, the fan is working, we're good to go. And my next project now is gonna be fix the fence at the arena and fix the ground, as we have a lot of grass. Stay tuned and hit like and subscribe for the next video.